Hey guys, Andres from D-Tronics here again. In this case, we have the pleasure to show you the latest and greatest in technology. This is by a company called Author. They have a product called IGLA, and IGLA security is very innovative because it goes about protecting the vehicle unlike any other system out there. So typical security systems prevent the starter from engaging. With this setup, it allows us to turn on the vehicle, and that way you don't lose any of the factory features that are super convenient, like keeping your factory remote start feature, like keeping the factory. A lot of the new vehicles allow from the customer's phone through an app, allow you to remote start. And the way that IGLA goes about preventing the vehicle from being driven away is what makes it so unique and almost impenetrable. It is the latest and greatest in security. The way it goes about it, we reflash the vehicle's computer and we input a code that the customer can change 100 times if they wanted to. And you don't add a cheesy button or a hidden away inconvenient push to start or button to engage with, right? So the way this goes about it, it allows us, and depending on the vehicle, in this case, in this vehicle allows us to input from 2 to 17 different numbers. So like, for example, if you want to drive away, you can press the seek forward 10 times, and if that's your code, that's the way it's gonna work. Or again, you can work seek forward and hang up the button 3 times. So you can put in your own code, and therefore you would have your own key to your vehicle, one that potentially nobody's gonna know, and the thief is not gonna figure out how to do this on the fly. So again, check it out. So right now I can turn on the truck, super easy, and be able to remote start it, keep the vehicle cool in the summer, and but I cannot drive away. So without putting in code, the truck turns off. It's not going anywhere. So turning it on again, and again, you can utilize your factory remote start and GM app to be able to do this. Now, to give the customer privacy, we're not going to showcase the code. And I'm going to input it. Gives you an audible go ahead. Vámonos. Now you're ready to rock and roll. Guys, if you see anything you like, if you have any more questions about IGLA and its features, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And we're very proud to say that D-Tronics is going to be the only shop in South Texas to be able to offer this. Yeah, keep us in mind. Check us out.